Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the automatic dust collection settings on XIAOMI Robot Vacuum X20 Max. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner, then find dust collection. Now you can enable automatic dust collection, which means that the robot will do that at a set frequency, and it can be set to once, twice, or thrice, which is 3 times, I guess. Yeah, it's not really explained here. Yeah, but I think what they meant here is every task, every other task, and every third task. So yeah, that's what I think it means, because it doesn't carry out the dust after like during the cleaning. So I guess that's what they meant. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.